Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about molting. Caterpillars, after they have been eating and growing, will do something called molting. And I just want to show you this picture and then we're going to look at our caterpillars. It says munch crunch. The caterpillar munches and crunches. She gets bigger and bigger. Her black and yellow skin gets tighter and tighter. Suddenly the skin starts to split open. The caterpillar wriggles out with a brand new skin. Okay, so we're going to look and you're going to see that the caterpillar is the darker color and then the skin is a lighter color. We're going to see that right now a lot of our caterpillars are starting to molt. Okay, so we're just going to observe and see if we can see them moving. Really look to see the two different colors, the lighter outside old exoskeleton and then the darker part that's coming out. So I'm going to just tell you about what's happening while you watch and observe. Okay. Caterpillars eat large amounts of food and grow very fast. But because their skin is a rigid external skeleton called an exoskeleton, they cannot increase or get bigger in size without shedding the exoskeleton. All insects have an exoskeleton. As they eat food, their soft bodies grow inside the exoskeleton, eventually filling up the space. Molting is the term for the time when the insect sheds the exoskeleton and grows a new one. Right before a molt, the caterpillar stops eating and becomes very still. Soon its body begins to pulse and seems to shorten and thicken. Then, like the splitting of a seam in tight clothes, the exoskeleton near the caterpillar's head splits and the soft insect wiggles out of the old exoskeleton. The last piece of exoskeleton to be shed is the head capsule. We might see evidence of the molt even if we don't actually watch it. However, you can see here that these caterpillars are moving a lot and shaking their way out, okay? Sometimes you will see their old skin looking like a wrinkled wad in the bottom, but you will also see the shiny round head capsule. Okay, sometimes you won't see the skin because it says that they would actually eat that after they come out. So when we look in the cup, you will see the head capsule. This black thing here is a head capsule, not frass. And I can tell that because it's got those bristly things on it. Okay, so I can tell that this one has molted, and it says here that the caterpillars could molt 2, 3, or 4 times while we are waiting for this whole process to happen. Okay, so it's getting very close to the end of the caterpillar stage and it's just about to go into the cocoon, okay? Thank you for watching and learning and observing with me.